Miss Shanda Romero. Lucas Andalio. Our box office director, June Robles Lana. Ito talaga namang multi-talented individual, Chansui Lamos! Let's call it this time, Mika Salamanca! And of course, Brent Manalo! And syempre, hindi makakompleto ang ating gabi without our lead stars. Let's all welcome Nadine Luseg and Vice Ganda! Hi! Isa mo ng family photo. Hi! Isa mo ng family photo or class photo. Ang ganda! Please don't forget to use our official hashtag, #CallMeMother. And we'll have more photo opportunities later. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat! Magandang gabi po, sir!